The spooky season of the year is finally upon us, which means it's October, which also means that you probably have one or two of these hanging around your porch. So today we're going to be using pumpkins for our workout. All you need is one pumpkin and a mat. So go ahead, grab your pumpkin outside, whatever size you have, and we're going to get going. Okay, so our very first move is going to be some toe taps. So you're going to put your pumpkin on the ground and you're going to stand just in front of it. We're going to be tapping the toe one at a time with a little bit of a hop. Okay, so this is what it's going to look like. It's going to be tap, 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 tap. If you need a modification and you don't want to jump, you're just going to tap it as fast as you can. Okay, so we're going to go for 40 seconds. Here we go. 3, 2, and 1. Make sure your pumpkin doesn't fall over. Keep going.
How you walking with a switch? I seen how the sun gleam over your skin. I had your jeans sitting on them hips. All I'm trying to find out, so you trying to ride out with? I got GPS on this shit. But besides that, I'm just such a fly cat. You want to leave here upon me.
So the next move, the pumpkin is still going to be on the ground and we're doing lateral hops. So just some side to side hops and we're hopping over the pumpkin. So you're going to start on one side and you're going to use both feet. You're going to jump over and then jump over. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, and 1. Depending on how big your pumpkin is, you might have to go a bit higher, but you got this. Keep breathing. Use those arms. Push off with that leg. And keep breathing. Good job. Oh yeah, that'll get the heart rate going. Oh. All right, next movement, we're getting down on the mat. So you're coming down on your back, knees are directed to the sky. We're going to be doing a sit-up to a press. So we're going to inhale, exhale, going to a sit-up, pressing the pumpkin up, slowly lowering it down. I'll show you one more time. Inhale, crunch, up, coming down. Okay, here we go, 40 seconds. 3, 2, and 1. So squeeze that core, keep that chin tucked into the chest. You're lifting up. Once you get up to your full sit-up with that pumpkin, raise it over your head. Keep breathing. You got this. Hold on to that pumpkin. 10 more seconds. You got this. Give me one more. And up, coming down. Beautiful, that'll get the abs warm. Awesome job. So we're now on the mat for our next move. We're flipped over now on hands and knees. We're gonna be doing some plank taps while on our pumpkin here. So you're gonna be in a high plank, hands underneath those shoulders. You're squeezing the core. You're going to use one hand to tap the pumpkin and then tap the pumpkin. Tap and tap. So here we go for 40 seconds. 3, 2, and 1. Tapping the pumpkin. One hand at a time, unless you want to do both hands. I don't know how you can do that, but keep going. These are kind of like shoulder taps. You're just slightly touching the pumpkin and then coming down. So you're holding that high plank. You can do this with your knees on the mat as well if you need a modification, but keep holding it. You have this. All right, last 10 seconds here. Keep breathing. 5, 4, 3, 2, you got this. 1, drop those knees. Good job. We have one more move. All right, great job. We're gonna stand up for our final move in our circuit before we repeat it all. And this is gonna work the shoulder. So your pumpkin is over your head. You have a nice bend in the elbows. All we're gonna be doing is circling the pumpkin around our head like in a halo shape. After 2, you're gonna go to the other side. Okay, so here we go. Set yourself up for success. 3, 2, and 1. Going one way 2 times. So around the world. 2, after 2, you're gonna go in the opposite direction. So this is gonna really burn those shoulders. And that's what we want. Depending on how big your pumpkin is, it will depend on how heavy it is, right? So take a second if you need a break if you have a really heavy pumpkin, but try to keep going. You're more than halfway. Keep breathing through it. We have 10 seconds left. Circling it around and around in the other direction. 3, 2, and 1. Great job. Drop the pumpkin for a moment. Stretch out those arms. Do a little stretch interlude, and then we're gonna repeat it all 2 more times. Whew, I am sweaty. Awesome job with that pumpkin workout. I hope it was fun to use something different other than body weight or weights. And it's such a time of the year that why not, right? It just adds a little bit of variation to your workout. So now you are ready to pump some iron with your pumpkin. I hope you enjoyed the workout. Make sure that if you did, you give this video a huge thumbs up because it really supports my channel. I'm here every Sunday with a brand new workout video. So I hope that you will subscribe below. Love you all so much, sending you so much love through the screen, and I hope to see you in the next one. See you later.
I'm just saying, you like the Mona Lisa. I'ma treat you nice, I'ma treat you right, but that don't mean that I ain't gonna leave you. See you when I see you, saying she a diva, but she with a different nigga every time I see you.